Okay, this is installment 1 on the Silver Sport transmission 5-speed, tremec 5-speed conversion in my 65 C2 Corvette. This is a really incredible kit. It includes everything, including detailed instructions. Every component that you need, every piece of hardware, speedometer hookup, even a clutch alignment tool, which I didn't need, but some of you might. They've thought of everything, including a kit to remove the cross member from the car and make it so you can reinstall it and take it out, which I'm working on now. Here's the transmission itself. I got a new bell housing. The kit includes a clutch disc and also a drive shaft cut to length with the correct yoke, which is a larger diameter than the stock, which you cannot use. The old Muncie close ratio just doesn't work for me in this car. This is a 65 C2 Corvette, 350 horse, 327 with side pipes. The side pipes are extremely loud, and at cruising speeds on the highway, I'm tacking about 3,000, which is way too much, not to mention the fuel burn. So the 5-speed should take care of all that. And thanks to Silver Sport, it's going to be pretty much a slam dunk. They even include a correct appearing period stick with a reverse lockout, which of course is not functional in this transmission, but when you look in the car, it will look original. So, a new Ram flywheel, 19-pound. I like the lighter flywheel in these cars because it's the cars are light and they don't need that big heavy cast iron flywheel spinning around. I'm also putting in a new pressure plate. So that's it for this installment. This will be chapter 1. I'm kind of learning as I go about the best way to do this, but here we go.